Hello guys, welcome to Fanitech Kenya Limited, the leading exterior and interior limited company right here in Kenya. If you're new to this channel, kindly consider subscribing and turning on your notification bell. As you can see now guys, we are now completing the stainless handrail here in Kerarapon area. All the way we've managed to fix everything. Now we are just installing the glasses. After we finish doing the glasses guys, we'll be able to hand over the project to the client so that he can give his own recommendation. Thank you so much for subscribing and consider turning on your notification. Hi guys, now we are doing the tiling up. As you can see guys, now we are working on the skirting here for this particular room. And the skirting goes all the way round. Show them the skirting. The skirting is going all around guys. And it's been done professionally. If you want to know a professional guy, you need to look at the joints. The joints can be able to tell you if this guy is doing a good job or a bad job. My guys are convinced with this particular works, and we give it the best. This is the guy working on this, is called Body. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Say hi to our people.
Hi.
We are good, the good guys for the tiling guys is here called Bonfest. So thank you so much for watching this particular vlog, and remember to subscribe, comment, turn on your notification, and keep on telling a friend to tell a friend that Fanitech Kenya Limited is the best exterior and interior limited company right here. Okay. So hello good people, I want to show you now what we've managed to do on this particular site, and we are actually on top roof of this building or this house. As you can see, this is what we call the stainless handrail. It's going all round with the tough glass, well fitted, and the company or the client has really appreciated our work for this particular works. As you can see, even the view of the area, it's a very big place. You can be able to see our work, guys, and we don't get what we do. Actually, we give the best. Look at the work, how we managed to do it. Look at the fittings. Look at it very well. You can give us a call, subscribe to our channel, and you can give us referrals for this particular work for the stainless handles. You can look at the view, guys, to show you that we are on top of this particular house. The area is well developed, and this is why people are coming. So if you're looking for a contractor or you're looking for a person who can be able to do for you this particular works regarding construction and putting on all the fittings, we are the one. Fanitech Kenya Limited is the best exterior and interior limited company. Continue looking, showing you what we do, guys. We are the experts, and my guys are on site are still doing their job very well, guys. And if you manage to give us a call, if you are looking for a person who can be able to do for you, give you such good work, you need to call us. We have a website, www.fkl.co.ke. We are also on Twitter, Fanitech_Kenya Limited. We are on Instagram, Fanitech_Limited. Give us a call anytime and we'll be there for you. Thank you so much. Continue watching our videos on this particular channel, and we will really appreciate it. Thank you so much.